Hi, here's Mark. I'm Eva. We're here at our hotel in Venice, and we picked a canal view. And there's a reason. Look at this. We've got we didn't know this, all the gondolas are here. Okay, they're getting ready. Right, they're setting up. They're getting in position. This we've never seen before because we've never been in this room before. But, and all the gondolas pass by this way because it's a very picturesque area. Okay. And how cool is this? All right, something definitely special and different. So, and that's what we love. We love things that are unique, and we want you to have that same experience as well. So come with us, Eve and Mark, when we take you to beautiful Venice. It's so great being here. It's our third time, and it still is amazing and beautiful, and always new things to see and do. So call us, and we'll make this your experience. Enjoy.